If you want to see more topics on electrical and electronics engineering, then check the playlist section of this channel. Also, install the electrical and electronics engineering Android app from the description below. In this video, we will see an example on impedance and admittance. Question: find current I/O in the network of figure. Here for this circuit, we have to find this current I/O. Solution: first of all, we will copy the given circuit and paste it here. Now, we have to find this current. So, first we need to find this current. Let's say this current is current I1 and this current is here, it is 5 at an angle 0 degree ampere. Because this is a current source, so this current will be same. So, from this current we can find this current I1. So, here we have to find this impedance first. So, let's find current I1. So, I1 will be equal to, according to current division rule, it will be this current first. So, the current is 5 at an angle 0 degree multiplied with opposite branch resistance. So, opposite branch resistance for this is minus J2 divided by addition of both. So, addition of both means it will be minus J2 plus J4 ohm, J4. Then here this is connected in series, but they are connected in parallel. So, it will be like this: 2 into minus J2 divided by 2 plus, or 2 plus minus J2, both are same. This will be in bracket close. So, this will be the value of current I1. Let's solve this in calculator. 5 at an angle 0 multiplied with minus J into 2 divided by minus J into 2 plus 4J, 4 into I, plus, now in bracket, 2 into minus I into 2 divided by 2 plus minus I into 2, bracket close. So, this will be, let's take this out of this bracket, and this will be in bracket. So, let's solve this much part first. It will be 2 into minus J into 2 divided by 2 plus minus J into 2, bracket close. So, this much is 1 minus J. Let's copy this, and this part is 1 minus J, 1 minus J. Now, if we solve this in calculator, so it will be 5 at an angle 0 multiplied with minus J into 2 divided by minus J into 2 plus J into 4 plus 1 minus J, bracket close. So, it is equal to minus 5 minus 5J, minus 5 minus 5J, and since it is current, so its unit will be ampere, or we can convert this into its equivalent polar form. So, shift to 3. So, it is 7.07 at an angle minus 135 degree ampere. Now, here next we have to find the current I/O. So, again by using current division rule, IO will be equal to, this IO will be equal to this current I1. So I1 multiplied with opposite branch resistance. So your opposite branch is minus J2 divided by minus J2 plus 2 ohm. This 2 ohm. So IO is equal to, the value of I1 is, here we can see it is this much. So let's copy this from here first. This into this much. So therefore IO is equal to, let's solve this in calculator, 7.07 at an angle minus 135 into minus I into 2 divided by minus I into 2 plus 2. So this will be, this is equal to minus 4.999, that is minus 5 ampere. We can write minus 5 ampere. So this is the final answer for IO. This is how we can find current IO by using current division rule. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.